big round of applause to the speaker, because I am very much in contact with him. I know his busy schedule. The moment he comes for a month to India, specifically to the Bangalore, he'll always 15 to 20 days he will be jam-packed with his activities, reaching out to the people. And believe me, he is a big, kind-hearted man and also very big charity man. If he suggests anything, he himself come forward to donate and see that the things get started. So such a kind man and kind-hearted and educated.
हम MBBS करना चाहते थे लेकिन सीट नहीं मिली, इसलिए B.Ed ज्वाइन कर लिया। क्या ये सही तरीक़ा है? क्या ऐसा करना सही होगा? मुअज़्ज़िज़ नाज़रीन, ये सवाल है अमेरिका के डॉक्टर क़ाज़ी अज़हर के। अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी की जानिब से जदीद तदरीसी तरीक़ेकार या इनोवेटिव टीचिंग मेथडोलॉजी के उन्वान से खुसूसी लेक्चर का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसमें US के मुमताज़ स्पीकर एसोसिएट क्लिनिकल प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर क़ाज़ी एस अज़हर ने हाज़रीन से खिताब किया।
I wanted to do MBBS, but I didn't get admission, so I did B.Ed. Is that a good reason? That's why new education policy says it starts right from your high school, 12th grade. 12th grade, America, 12th grade is high school graduation. And then you will enter in undergrad, college. And then you can take different subjects.
इस प्रोग्राम में B.Ed कॉलेज के असातिज़ा और तलबा को खुसूसी तौर पर मदऊ किया गया। अल-अमीन PU कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल प्रोफेसर नवाब पाशा ने मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल किया। प्रोग्राम की सदारत अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के ट्रेजरर जनाब इकबाल अहमद बेग साहब ने की। मेहमानान खुसूसी में डॉक्टर मोहम्मद यूसुफ असलम साहब, EC मेंबर जनाब अफजल इब्राहिम साहब और स्कूल और PU डेवलपमेंट कमेटी मेंबर जनाब पीर पाशा कमाल साहब और साकिबुल्लाह शरीफ साहब मौजूद थे।
Exactly, but this education policy is very good. To tell you honestly, they did a very good job. I hope it gets implemented, and primary education, basic education should be in mother tongue.
इस मौके पर अल-अमीन फार्मेसी के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर सलाहुद्दीन, अल-अमीन कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर वसीम खान, प्रिंसिपल अल-अमीन कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन डॉक्टर के रमेश और मिस्टर फराज ज़ाई, प्रिंसिपल अल-अमीन स्कूल ने शिरकत की। आखिर में सवाल जवाब का सेशन भी रखा गया, जिसमें असातिज़ा और तलबा ने खुलकर हिस्सा लिया।
So basically, everything was downtime. Kids didn't learn, particularly when it is foreign language. They don't learn anything. They just memorize. After 1 month, what they have memorized, they forget everything. Because you remember that forgetting curve? That curve is after understanding the subject. It's not, before understanding. So, with this, I conclude my little presentation. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed digital learning phase, and the 40% is going to be a physical learning contact period between the student and the teacher. So in that 60% it is going to be 30% online digital platform we have to use. 30% is going to be online, and remaining 40% is going to be a contact period. Probably this session will give a very right direction in order to implement our teaching methodologies, utilize it, and try to see that how best we can implement into our curriculum, into our activity of the educational phase. Thank you so much. I would like to thank first to the president of today's function of this program, our Iqbal Ahmad Beg Sahab, the treasurer of Al-Amin Educational Society, and secretary of Fazil Mahmood, the man behind who took this initiative, and for this we could able to see a big gathering. In spite of, we know that it is 6 to near to 6 p.m. but still jam-packed hall. That shows the initiation that was taken by the organizers, and the speaker has motivated all of us to remain intact to this entire program. Thank you so much to the president.